A detective for the CPD was found dead this morning in his own front yard. Although it's believed to be a suicide, murder has not yet been ruled out. In other news, a series of stabbings have a heartfelt conclusion you won't see coming. More at 6.
Hey, I'm Officer Jack Richards. I'm your new partner, Officer Johnson. Who the hell are you? I just told you. It'd be easy if you told me your first name. Need no basis, kid. And there's only 2 things you need to know about me. 1, I live by the night. 2, I am the night. So you live by yourself? Yes, that's not important though. Let's get to this bar. Alright. I'd say judging by the misplaced bark here and here, I can deduce stabbed to death. In his own front yard, no less. What does this world come to? I think it's also safe to call this a war crime. Are we at war? You're right, it's a preemptive strike in the direct line to the president. Well, this is a suburb. Also, he was shot. Damn it. Just another lead flushed down the drain of society. Anyways, we're thinking petty theft for the motive. His wallet's gone. Brace yourself, it's pretty rough. Believe me, this ain't my first rodeo, kid. You okay there? Yeah. Is the reporter still here? Yeah, right there. I'll get him in for questioning. You're coming with me. But Patrol brought a new suspect while you were out. There's 2 people in there. The one on the right volunteered for questioning. Is he the one who found the body? That's him. Alright, now we're gonna take a report. Okay. Let's get in here. Oh. I don't have too much fun. Which one of you big strong men wants to go first? You. Let's go.
So,
So, do you want to know where I was this
Listen, buddy. I'm asking the questions here, okay? Not you. So where were you this morning?
Look, I was just out this morning on my morning jog.
Short shorts?
They're jogging shorts and they provide optimal breathability.
Whatever you say.
They're designer. Are you done? Anyways. That's when I ran off.
Did you happen to see who fired the gun?
Look, usually when you hear a gunshot, you don't stick around to see all the details.
Well, we've still got 2 suspects left. They might know something. I don't know. Maybe. Can I get a coffee? We're out. Water? We've got Dasani. God. Damn it! So what's your name? It's, Chair Tableson. What about you? Detective Johnson. I'd rather not say my first name. Where were you last night? Let's just say I was interacting with my community. Yeah, I'll be home soon. I love you too, Mom. Alright, goodbye.
The perfect crime.
What? Nothing. Okay, what happened next? Then I left my friend's house and heard a gunshot. So clearly, I ran towards it. Really? No.
Damn, you're good.
Or am I? I just couldn't get a lock on him. I mean, he's complete enigma. The one with the ski mask? He was wearing a ski mask? You're an idiot. So, Mr. Reporter, let me ask you something. Why were you at the scene of the crime before any cops?
Well, first off, you're making me really uncomfortable. And second, I was just getting a lead on a breaking story in that neighborhood. One that would make my career. Local residents have been coming to this lemonade stand for years, although new management may change that. So what's your name?
Bob.
Frankly, I'm disgusted by this behavior. I hope that someday we can rid the streets of these sour lemons. Back to you in the station, Tom. You get that? It's gonna make my career. I'm gonna go make a call.
What the are you looking at?
So you saw somebody running away?
Yeah, it was the guy out there.
Was the guy wearing the ski mask?
No, the guy with the short shorts.
They're not short shorts.
Nonetheless, the reporter said he saw you fleeing the scene. And we both know there's no such thing as fake news.
Look, it wasn't me. If anything, it's the sketchy guy in the ski mask. Maybe you should ask him about it. In fact, I think I saw him lurking around the houses.
Mr. Tableson. I didn't even consider him as a suspect.
Well, maybe you should look into it.
You're right. And this is one lead that this detective's gonna follow this lead. Listen, buddy. There's just one thing I don't understand. Why were you at the scene of the crime this morning? I was doing business. What kind of business? I was selling home security. Why are you asking me so many questions anyway? You should be talking to that news guy. What does he have to do with home security? What? No. I overheard him talking about a news story that would make his career. Isn't it a little sus that he wants a news story and the same day a murder happens?
Why are you talking to me again? I gave you all the info that I have.
Because I don't think you really did. So you wanted to get a mind-blowing story, but you didn't have one. So you murdered an innocent man in order to report on his death. You want to be the next Ron Burgundy, but he's the Muhammad Ali of reporting. He'll never be as good as him.
If he's Muhammad, I'm definitely Chuck Norris.
No, you're definitely...
No. I don't care if he's Muhammad. I'm hard Bruce Lee.
You can't change fighters. You're Chuck Norris. I get to be Bruce Lee, always. We already know you did it. We just need a confession.
I didn't do it. I saw the jogger do it, if I'm being honest.
And that's all I needed.
I still see you.
I already told you, I didn't do it. I was out on my run.
Didn't your mother tell you not to run with guns?
I think you mean don't run with scissors.
Listen, the details don't matter. We know you killed him.
It wasn't me. I saw the guy in the ski mask do it.
Is that so?
So why'd you do it? Was it money?
Hate? Love?
How are you doing that?
The interrogation room works in mysterious ways.
Look, I didn't kill him. In fact, I think I saw the newsman do it. Yeah, I saw him stabbing.
He was shot.
Right, yeah, no, I saw him shot. Shoot.
Alright, you're all free to go.
See ya.
Except for you, buddy. Full cavity search. No, you're all free to go.
He was hiding the weapon up there. We let him go. Congratulations.
I think we should go back to the scene of the crime and check for more evidence.
You're right. But I work alone. Go get us some donuts.
Sprinkles?
Of course. You got a lot to learn, buddy.
A footprint. Hey, stop! You're under arrest.
The only place you're going with, buddy, is you're going to jail, buddy. Cause you're under arrest. Oh, you're passed out. All right. Let's bring you in. What I'd like to say on behalf of the Chico Police Department, we're all glad that I, Detective Johnson, single-handedly caught this menace to society. A couple people I'd like to thank, my mother and father, as well as my bodyguard, James, great guy. My dead partner. Couldn't gotten here without you, buddy. You really made this all possible. And does anybody have any questions about how I solved this case? Okay, questions about me? Okay, questions in general. Okay, have a little bit more time left here, so I think I'm gonna sing a song. Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. James. Okay? You're really not working with me here, guys. I'm gonna need you to sing here, okay? Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Streetlights, people. Well, I guess if we can learn anything from this, it's to always judge a book by its cover. And everyone is terrible. Thank you, and good night. To the jar with the dentist. And we already gave him lethal injection. Electric chair. Tough way to go. I'm fired. I'm going to jail. Okay?
Disgraced Detective Dick Johnson wrongfully convicted a man for a murder he didn't commit. The man in question was sentenced to death by way of electric chair, all because Johnson found a singular footprint at the scene of the crime. Detective Johnson is also facing allegations of tax evasion and public urination. Oh!
Well, listen.
Do you have a comment, sir?
Well, listen, my name has been dragged through the mud on numerous occasions. Okay?
And that public urination thing was not substantiated. Do you need a picture?
And you, sir, what are your thoughts on Detective Johnson? Well, you've heard it here first. Back to you in the station, Tom.